Alrighty, so the frequently asked question I get is, well, how do I change the auto increment values? Well, you can make use of some small SQL to modify the MySQL database. So here, let's go ahead and just open up a new SQL tab. And we enter this piece of code here. So basically, we're going to do an alter on the table. And we'll set the auto increment value to a given value. So in this example, I'm going to say set auto increment to 3,000. So whatever value you set it to, it must be larger than the previous values that are currently in the database. So I just do an execute here. So now all of the new entries into the database, they will start at 3,000. So let me move back over into Eclipse and let me just run my demo program again. So again, we're going to enter John, Mary, and Bonita, but now they should have new auto increment values. So we ran it. We got our output. So that ran okay. Now swinging back over to our database, let me just run the query one more time. I'll hit the yellow lightning bolt to execute the query. And now note here at the bottom, we have these three new entries, John, Mary, and Bonita. So these are the new entries that were just added. Note here, the auto increment started at 3,000. So this works out just great. So that's how you can set the value. Now, you also may wonder, well, I want to clean out my database and I want to start the auto increment from 1. How can I do that? And it's really simple. What you can do in this case, you're actually going to open up a new window, and we're actually going to delete all of the rows here and reset the counter. So you can do that by saying truncate HB student tracker. So this will actually delete all rows from the database and reset the sequence to 1. So I've executed that little query there. Now, if I go back and query the database, just moving back over here to select star, hit the yellow lightning bolt, we'll see that our database is empty at this point. So it's been truncated, almost like a reset button. Now, if I go back over to Eclipse, I'm going to run the application one more time. So I'm running my primary key demo. Swing back over to MySQL Workbench, refresh this query by hitting the yellow lightning bolt, and then boom. All right. We have those three new entries that just came in, and note their ID. Their ID starts at 1, 2, 3. So that's how you can reset it from the value of 1 for the primary key. All right. So I hope this little tip helps you. It's a frequently asked question I get all the time. So I just wanted to address it here in this video just to help you go forward. All right. Good job. Congratulations.